All right. Hello, team. We are ZoomMedia, and today our presentation will be on network design and strategy. I am Robert Haggerty, the CEO of our company, and I'd like to talk to our leadership team, which is all of you, about going forward with our company. So I want to welcome you all. As you all know, our company has successfully launched and is within its infancy within our e-commerce market. Our initial efforts have allowed the company to take hold and gain a constantly growing customer base. All of our leadership team, which includes all of you, have been integral in the success. We will need your positive teamwork and enthusiasm to engage the rest of our team and continue to grow into the future. The following presentation will help all of you, the leadership team, better understand our evolving strategies as well as understand our extensive network design. This network design includes all aspects of our supply chain, from our suppliers, our vendors, all the way to our end customers. Our main competition, Amazon and Walmart, have already established themselves as market leaders. Their dynamic and extensive network designs are both successful and a great tool to learn from. ZoomMedia has studied and researched our competition. This has allowed us to create our own SWOT analysis of them and find ways to directly compete with both of our companies. We have taken best practices and created our own strategies around our competitive advantages and their winning network strategies. Our company is already directly competing with them. With all of your help, we will be able to grow and capture a much larger market of customers. So starting off, what is network design? What is it? Many of you already have a great understanding of your own departments and your specific teams. This includes all of the processes and information from within these areas. Our entire network design strategy spans out from each department and creates a macro view of our entire supply chain. Many of you hear network design and you may immediately think of IT, technology. This is only a specific portion of it. Network design, as it relates to ZoomMedia and our entire business, is really a way to establish the entire physical and informational structure and configuration of our business and our entire supply chain. This macro view of network design is extremely important. It allows us to create a dynamic strategy that connects all pieces of our company into one strong network. It includes our physical locations, our suppliers, our utilization of technology, and every other aspect of our supply chain. Each part plays an important role, but together they create this connected web that allows us to improve our business and mold our strategy for success. This success is achieved through many ways, much of which is impacted by all of you. Strong, efficient departments impact our inventory and customer satisfaction standards. We also aim to build ethical and positive relationships with our suppliers, implement effective technology, negotiate with 3PLs, and create logistical advantages. Our success is created from implementing an effective and efficient network where all areas collaborate and synergize together to constantly improve each area of our business. So starting out, Amazon. We all know who they are and how big of an impact they've had on e-commerce. What they have done since their creation in 1995 has been amazing. Nearly every item you can think of can be found on Amazon. Physical goods, digital services, warehousing, marketing, Amazon offers nearly everything we need or ever could want. They even boast that they seek to be the Earth's most customer-centric company, which is something that we're trying to develop with our own company. We're doing a fantastic job. ZoomMedia is copying Amazon in some ways because we also want to be completely focused on our customers. To be able to control and facilitate the millions of orders that Amazon fulfills, they require an extensive warehouse inventory system. Everything from A to Z, as they boast, must be carefully inventoried for the workers to efficiently and effectively fill for customers. Amazon uses extensive MIS, or management of inventory systems, to facilitate these processes. Outgoing inventory is easily located using handheld RF units, and orders are immediately sent to outgoing shipping stations. In addition to extensive MIS for the use of hand-picked orders, Amazon also uses automated robots to help their warehouse efficiency. Amazon introduced Amazon robots, which they purchased from the company Kiva after they purchased them for $775 million. This is an amazing and a lot of financial investment on their part. These robots help access the extensive inventory locations that Amazon holds within its warehouses and increases the efficiency of the overall flow of their work. Logistics also play a big part in Amazon's success. Amazon has partnered with many 3PLs to facilitate their constant flow of inventories going to and from their warehouses. UPS is the major 3PL that assists Amazon in the United States, and Amazon is easily their biggest customer. This partnership allows Amazon to utilize a trusted and well-known 3PL for the delivery of many of their orders. This is important as Prime customers are given guaranteed free 2-day shipping on many of their products. So a reliable and trusted partnership is required to maintain this high focus on the customer satisfaction. So now we move on to the pros and cons. Within Amazon's network design, we can see many strengths that assist in facilitating their competitive advantage. However, even Amazon has things that might threaten their success in the future. For example, Amazon has network strength in the scale of their operations. They have warehouses located all over the United States. This allows them to service nearly every region and state effectively and quickly. And also mentioned before, they utilize automation in their warehouses. Over 30,000 robots assist in Amazon's already efficient warehouse systems. This helps Amazon fill customer orders not only faster, but more accurately. Also, their speed and efficiency throughout their entire supply chain is another advantage that Amazon has. The partnerships they have with the 3PL providers allow them to ship their products all over the world, just like we have mentioned before. This creates strong partnerships and allows the customers to receive the items they ordered when they want them delivered. But just as all the strengths we've talked about Amazon has, they have a few maybe areas that they could consider threats. For example, Amazon does have strong partnerships with their 3PLs. However, they nearly rely completely on these couriers. These couriers could potentially damage the packages, lose them, or even go out of business, however unlikely that may be. If the couriers fail, Amazon has to act as a mediator between their customer and the delivery services from UPS and USPS, because when the customer perceives Amazon for the positively for the reliability and the delivering of their packages, but if the courier fails, Amazon has to step in and have to try to mend that relationship, even though it may not have been their fault in the delivery. So Walmart, our other major competitor, they're just as well known, but they have designed their network in a completely different way. Walmart has just recently in the last decade begun to implement and expand into the e-commerce market. Amazon may be one of the largest and most successful online retailers, while Walmart is one of the largest and most successful brick and mortar retailers. Data shows from 2015 that Walmart has over 5,000 retail stores within the United States alone. And with their expansion into the e-commerce market, Walmart has added on an online website that acts as a storefront for them. So customers can order items online just like Amazon and have them delivered to their homes or to the store of their choice for free of charge. This gives the customer freedom with their choice of deliveries. Some stores have even begun to offer in-store grocery pickup for pre-placed orders. And a final note to discuss within Walmart's network design is that their dedicated fleet. This part of their design allows them to completely monitor the deliveries, but also allows them to directly improve the processes within them. Walmart's dedicated fleet has over 6,000 trucks and log over 1 million miles a year. This obviously differs from Amazon, where they rely on 3PLs for the deliveries. Walmart has their own dedicated fleet that they can utilize as part of their network design. So as we move on to the pros and cons, Walmart has many positive aspects, but they have some opportunities as well. Some pros for Walmart is that they have created a business model that is competitive and successful in both the e-commerce market and brick and mortar sales. They're able to directly compete with Amazon as well as other physical retail stores like Target. This business model allows them to capture a larger customer base and increase overall profits. Their sheer scale is also a strength within Walmart's design. As described before, Walmart has over 5,000 stores throughout the U.S. and captures a market in every one of the 50 states. They are a household name known for a massive selection of inexpensive products. Probably the most successful portion of their network design is their own trucking fleet that we just touched on before. So not only do they employ their own fleet of trucks and drivers, but they also monitor and improve the efficiency of them. Owning your own fleet allows you to directly impact how efficient and effective they perform. And now we move on to the threats or the opportunities. The only major threats to Walmart's network design is that their excessive cost and their small profit margins. The sheer size of Walmart's business is astounding. They have to invest a lot of capital and labor hours to run all of their stores. In addition to this, they structure their sales based upon a very slim profit margin. Their business strategy is to sell a mass quantity of items at a low profit margin. This can be considered risky as vendor fluctuations can directly impact the low margin profits they are structured around. Now on to us, ZoomMedia. So, our leadership team, which includes all of you, must work together to facilitate success. Systems design, as described before, is an all-encompassing strategy that balances the entire dynamic of the company and the supply chain. We will work together and create an effective team that focuses on innovative ideas to improve our business. And diversity will play a big part in this team focus. We all need to understand that all of us bring different perspectives and thought processes to our business. As we move forward and grow, every member of our team will be part of our success. Following the next few slides are ZoomMedia's network design focus areas. These areas will outline specific parts of our business that we need to add to our competitive strategy and to remain competitive against our rivals. So, first one, location. Location, part of the design, lays the foundation for where our business will run, not only physical buildings, but also in logistical networks designed to strategically service large regions at once. As you all know, our main office is located in northern suburbs of Minneapolis, Minnesota. This headquarters is also attached to our Midwest region distribution and fulfillment center. We also have similar centers in Buffalo, New York, and near San Francisco, California. We have strategically chosen these three locations to more effectively and efficiently service most of the regions in the United States. Not only are these cities located in or near major metropolitan areas, but they also act as major hubs for 3PLs we will utilize for our shipments. Strong locations for our warehouses directly impact how successful and reliable our deliveries will be. This slide is added as a visual representation of our three regions in which each DC services. These lines are not exact, and they're just supposed to be a generic view of our regions. But as you can see, the California DC services the West, the Midwest is serviced by our Minneapolis DC, and the East Coast is serviced by our New York DC. With the next few years, based upon our success, we have talks to add another DC to the Texas area. This would improve the efficiency of all other DCs, as Texas DC would service the southeast region of the United States. This would reduce the service area of each current DC and increase the reliability and service time of our delivered packages. As you all know, we are a customer-centric company. Service and reliability are at the forefront of everything we do. Supplier selection is also a major part to our network design. Being a company that sells mainly media, CDs, movies, peripherals, office technology, many of our products originate from overseas. However, ZoomMedia's focus on not only our customers but our ethical business practices forces us to be a lot pickier within our supplier selection. We have chosen Asian suppliers that demonstrate ethical business practices. This includes worker relations and safety as well as environmental impact. Our suppliers go through a strict background check to ensure they follow similar business practices as we do. We feel this is an important factor in network design. We've also partnered with Uline for in-house inventory. Our team has successfully negotiated a positive contract with them, and they're located nearby in Hudson, Wisconsin, which is roughly 40 minutes away. This contract allows us to receive discounted bulk prices and reduced shipping rates for in-house inventory. This bulk pricing allows us to reduce our overhead and improve our overall profits. Technology, one of the biggest parts of our design. Our company utilizes technology and pretty much relies on it. That's the way this market is going. ZoomMedia utilizes a cloud-based ERP system called NetSuite. Their product includes both a cloud-accessible system that assists us connecting many areas of our business, but also includes a CRM software that assists in our customer-centric focus. Cloud-based services give us cost savings compared to installing our own IT infrastructure, IT teams, and proprietary systems. NetSuite gives us the freedom to access many portions of our business from anywhere there is an internet connection. And NetSuite vendor takes care of all the monitoring, hosting, and maintains our entire IT infrastructure. And being an e-commerce business, we use a fully encrypted and easy-to-use website for our customers. We have partnered with a third-party website design team to develop our easy-to-use and secure site. This is important to our design. Our customers see this site as a representation of our business. We must constantly monitor to ensure there are no areas for hackers to access and that credit card transactions are transferred safely and securely. And as a final note, many of you know that our customer service team is a fantastic team that facilitates positive customer relationships. This is done through an easy to see links on our homepage of our website. Contact information includes both customer service email contacts and phone numbers to call. We feel this transparent and friendly access to representatives will facilitate a stronger relationship with our customers. Traffic networks. Logistics plays a crucial role in our network design. Our business design of being an online-only retailer requires us to create beneficial partnerships with delivery companies. We've decided to mirror Amazon in their use of 3PLs. We also, just like Amazon, utilize UPS and USPS for incoming and outgoing deliveries. We feel this is the best strategy to utilize within our network. Investing in and maintaining our own fleet like Walmart was not the best decision for our business. UPS and USPS have proven to deliver on efficiency and reliability, and we feel that this will allow us to maintain our high levels of customer satisfaction levels. Future strategy will include international delivery to help us expand in a much larger customer market. However, to do this, we need to use an intermediary company who will assist us in meeting all federal and international regulations and tariffs associated with our business. This expansion was based upon our domestic success, but is within our 5-year goal to meet. For us to effectively manage our supply chain, part of our network design must include optimization of our processes. More directly, this includes optimization of our warehouses and the technology we utilize within them. Efficient processes and functions help us mitigate excess costs, assist in improving inventory accuracies, and effectively managing flow from order receipt to fulfillment. Warehouse engineered standards are an important part to implement and monitor within this process. With standards in place, we will be able to monitor the production levels of our employees and be able to set goals based upon their capabilities. Lean Six Sigma is also being implemented into our network design as part of our optimization strategy. As many of you know, Lean is in the simplest definition is eliminating waste, and Six Sigma is a methodology to reduce quality defects. Many of you already have had training and are certified green belts or higher within the Six Sigma, so you already understand many of these aspects. Collectively, we all understand the importance this has within our business. Reducing wasted time, materials, and labor all affect our overhead and productivity. And Six Sigma methods allow us to focus on quality, monitor issues, and reduce quality issues to a minimum. This all-encompassing approach to a warehouse will greatly affect our success, not only internally, but with our end customers as well. A final aspect to talk about in our optimization is our use of RF technology. All of our warehouse employees use handheld RF units to scan barcodes that correspond to each and every product in our warehouse. This immediately tracks each item going in or out, thus creating a more accurate representation of our inventory levels. We can also use the compiled data to better adjust for sales patterns, out of stocks, slow movers, and item allocation requirements. The ability to optimize our warehouse through technology in Six Sigma will allow us to create a more accurate inventory picture, which will also help us better service our customers. So best practices. These are things that are accepted as being beneficial or superior to other processes in the field. In our specific reference, best practices will include the following. Lean Six Sigma implementation. We've already talked about this in a previous slide, but these are best practices documented by many other companies in the field. Logistic partnerships, like those at Amazon, have been crucial to their success. We have already negotiated contracts and built positive relationships with UPS and USPS to assist in our deliveries. This may be overlooked as important, but fostering such an important relationship allows us to focus on other aspects of our business. Ethics. This major aspect is best practice that we must follow. As you all know and hear at nearly every meeting, ethics and social responsibility is not just something we talk about, it is something we live and do. We thrive with our diverse workforce and team. All members of our team, no matter who they are or where they are from, are an important piece that adds to the success of our entire supply chain. We also not only follow trends, but try to lead our market when it comes to environmental and worker relation focuses. As I've already discussed, ethical and sourcing practices are in place. We not only do background checks on our overseas vendors, but we also monitor to ensure they continue to align their practices with our own. We also have in place an effective recycling program in each of our warehouses to ensure anything we can recycle is recycled. As our business grows, we have the potential to impact the environment in larger ways. We must also mitigate that and aim to reduce our footprint. Ethics and business responsibility is something we must all get behind and believe in. So that wraps up our entire presentation. As we can see, network design is extremely important to our overall strategy as a company. It allows us to focus on major areas of our business, but we can also implement practices to improve the overall efficiency of our entire supply chain. Our main rivals, Amazon and Walmart, have already had a stronghold in the marketplace. They have extremely effective and successful network designs that allow them to service customers fast and with extreme satisfaction. Because of their success, we know what works and what may not. We've already implemented a strong strategy that capitalizes on some processes that have proven to be successful. I know with all of your continued teamwork, ZoomMedia will continue to succeed and grow as a company. This will allow us to not only improve our already important focus on customers, but allow us to expand into new regions and markets in the future. Thank you for your time today.